This is the back porch. As you can see, I can't even open the screen door all that much. You can tell it's pretty tall because of the garbage. And it's all drifting.